Okay, let's do a quick unboxing of the Amaran 60x continuous light. This is made by Aputure. Amaran is their cheaper line of lights, generally made out of plastic. For me, it's just fine. I use the Amaran light panel to light all my videos so far. To open it up, you have to slide this paper off. A lot of people commented about the quality of the case. It's styrofoam, so it's not like a nice fabric case. I thought it would be a lot cheaper, but actually the feel of the styrofoam is quite nice. It definitely feels much different than like a styrofoam that comes in like a TV when you buy it. This is like kind of surface treated, so it seems to be a lot more durable. We have the Amaran name right here, and then to open it up, we have these like buttons here. So let's open it up to see what's inside. Okay, so everything is nicely laid out. Here we have the light. Here's the power source. This is the plate for batteries. So let's move that out. So you can put 2 Sony MP batteries here. I do have those batteries for my other Amaran lights, so that's pretty useful. Here is the reflector. A lot of people say the reflector is not very good. It has a really prominent hotspot, so I'll look at it. I probably won't use this. I do have a soft box that I'm gonna be using. Here's some manuals, some silica gel. Here we have the power brick. It's pretty beefy. The cable seems to be pretty long that comes with it. So this end goes into the light, and here we have a standard connector that attaches a power cable like that. The problem is that I live in Switzerland, and this type of connector does not work in Switzerland. You can't shove this into the wall plugs that I have here. So in Switzerland, we have this type of weird triple prong. I think it's only used in Switzerland and Liechtenstein. It's quite annoying. So I can use this adapter and attach this. I have these because I know this is a massive pain in the butt. Then here we have a bracket. It seems to be actually really nice quality. These black pieces are also metal. So I'm quite impressed by how good of a quality this is. So this whole thing is metal, and also this piece is metal. Last but not least, we have the light. So it has a kind of protector here. To take off the protector, you have to pull this pin down, and then it's gonna come off pretty easily. So here we have the LED source. Has nice cooling fins around it. It's really small. I'm pretty excited to use this. I can use it with batteries, and I can plug it into the wall. This is the bicolor edition, the 60X. I could have bought the 60D, it's a little bit cheaper, but I'm planning to also use this with film, with Fujifilm Instax, and this way I can dial in the light and the color of it. So it's not like a digital where you can just manipulate it in Photoshop later. This is plastic, and people say it's like a cheap build quality, but it's like really high quality plastic. Most of my Canon L lenses are made out of plastic these days, so I have nothing against plastic. It's lighter, it's very durable. And I'm hoping to use this as my primary light for most of my talking head videos, and also for some photography where I don't want to use strobes. So you can attach any softbox here, and then you're good to go. So some people complain that it's really hard to put the stuff back into the box after you use it, but so far it doesn't seem to be the case. So here's the light back in, it fits perfectly. Here's the reflector, just also perfectly. So to put the bracket in, you wanna fold it like this, in the L, and then you can slide in like that. So it fits really nicely. I guess what most people have problem with are the power bricks. So here's the power brick that goes in like that. Here's the cable. And then I guess it's hard to fit this cable. But if you don't need this long of a cable, you can buy a separate one and use that. And here's the spot for the batteries. Is pretty simple, so it goes like that. All right. So I guess the issue, how do you put that in there? I'm not gonna use this anyway, so this will fit just fine once I get the correct cable. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.